Hi, Vetted Originators. This is Brian View, President of FinLocker. This is a very short tutorial video just to show you how the veterans from their go bag will be able to share contents from their go bag, data, as well as documents that they've stored, to you directly for purposes of a mortgage application. So starting out, we're inside a go bag. So this is a registered go bag, and I just want to show you a couple places in here that have the customization for the Vetted VA go bag. So obviously logo, color scheme, we've got these panels in the upper right that rotate, and we will be adding a third panel here in the next week that will basically say apply now or start the mortgage application now. That'll be the call to action here. Let me jump into our demo environment real quick and show you how a consumer will share the documents and data from their locker. So once they've enrolled in the locker, completed their profile, enrolled their financial accounts, enrolled their credit, we now have enough data to give you about 70% of a pre-fill of a mortgage 1003. So the additional information that's required is typically documentation, as well as the information you'll collect once you've imported the 1003, the Fannie Mae 3.2 from FinLocker into your system. So real quick, I'll show you where in the locker or the go bag, the consumer can store documents for purposes of sharing for a mortgage. So under the financial folder, so right here, financial folder, we have 4 folders that have been set up: tax returns, pay stubs, and other documentation, purchase agreement, proof of insurance, things of that sort. We also have a servicing folder for our servicing lost mint clients. So here, consumers can upload just by clicking and going to their desktop and grabbing tax returns, divorce decrees, any kind of documentation they need for their mortgage. Pay stubs, it's important that if they're going to share pay stubs with you, they can use the locker to keep those updated. So each time they get paid, they can upload a current statement into the locker. That way it's always up to date. So now once the veteran is ready to start the mortgage application, they're going to start from the call to action. So I'm going to start from this submit mortgage application link right here. And so as the user, as the consumer, as the veteran, I'm starting the process to share with you as the Vetted Originator in my go bag. So the first few clicks are validations coming from the profile that the consumer completed when they set up their locker or go bag to begin with, including the loan amount that they're applying for, their annual income. They're going to verify this data point for you. And then if they want to add a co-borrower, they can do that here. Otherwise, they can just click through and begin to share the documents that they're going to need. The 2 sections at the top here represent the enrolled financial accounts inside the go bag. So asset accounts are at the top, liability accounts. So I can share any and all of these accounts if they're needed for my mortgage application. Then here's the documents that the consumer or the veteran has stored so far. So tax returns, most recent pay stubs, and let's just say a letter of explanation. They can also go add additional documents if they need those, certificate of eligibility, etc. They'll click continue. They're going to verify, consent, and acknowledge that they're going to share this with you. And now what happens is FinLocker is aggregating the data and the documents, sending an email to you directly as the loan officer. So in this case, I'm the loan officer in this locker. So I'm going to get an email from FinLocker here momentarily. That email is going to give me a link. That link is going to take me into the admin portal of FinLocker, where I'm going to be able to grab the data and the documents and bring those into my system. So let's go into our admin portal now. So this assumes I've already got my email link. I clicked into my link, signed into the admin portal. By the way, here's the link that was just sent to me. So there's my email that just came from FinLocker saying that one of my customers has shared. I would click into the link here, log into the portal, and now I'm in the admin portal. And now what I see here is the accounts that were shared, the income statements, so pay statements, tax returns, and any other documents, and the Fannie Mae data file. So this is the data file here. I would click download, and here is my download set of data. And so here you'll see I've got my pay stubs, tax returns, my Fannie Mae 3.2 data set, an asset report that we create from those enrolled asset accounts, and then there's my letter of explanation. So from here, you can drag and drop this information into your point of sale or LOS and kick off your mortgage application process. So that's just a quick tutorial video showing you how the veteran shares from their go bag and how you receive on the other end. We'll be scheduling a weekly onboarding orientation for all vetted originators so that we can go deeper into the FinLocker utility and help you give the best value to your veterans. Thanks, everybody.